Hey guys, it's me Ram here, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the Dayan Tengyun M 2x2. So here is the 2x2, and of course we have a very fancy box as usual, which is taking forever to open, but yeah, there we go. We have some spare parts and the cube itself. Now I've heard Dayan Tengyun 3x3s are always drenched in lube when they come, but I really hope this puzzle is not, so let's just go ahead and check it out. Oh yay, no lube on the outside. Let's do first turns. This seems kind of light. Out of the box it's a little bit catchy right now, and it's quite sluggish and slow. But the feeling is very interesting. It's honestly the most quiet 2x2 I've ever felt. As you can hear, there's barely any pitch to it. It's just so muffled and quiet as a 2x2. If you guys like practicing 2x2 in public, this is definitely the cube for you, because it's honestly just so quiet right now. So here is my main 2x2 currently, the Walk 2M with MGC Springs. As you guys can hear, this one is actually quite a lot louder than the Tengyun M 2x2. This one sounds very muffled, whereas this one is quite high pitched, and this one has a very low pitch. I can barely even hear it. But overall, with the MGC Springs in, this puzzle feels quite a lot faster than the Tengyun M currently. And this one seems kind of bigger. Yes, the walk is definitely 1mm bigger than the Tengyun M 2x2. And not that big of a difference overall, but you can feel it while solving. I don't really care if 2x2s are 50mm or 51s. So I'm alright with the Tengyun, I guess. So overall, this is definitely not a main contender yet, but after setup, I'm pretty sure it'll be an excellent 2x2, and it'll definitely be my backup main, if not my main. Yes, overall, I really like the feeling of it. I really like the corner cutting, which is really good, of course. The only problem with it is the speed. It's a little bit too slow for me, and it's a little bit catchy as of now. So here's some DNM 37, and I kind of want to know what this will do to the cube, because I'm pretty sure with some DNM the speed will definitely become a lot better for me. I'm kind of curious. Oh no, I've spilled my DNM everywhere. I just realized. And I'm already running out, as you guys can see. Let's do some turns. Ah, it's so slippery from the outside now. Come on. Not that big of a difference, honestly. It's still quite slow and bumpy, but it has made the catching a little bit less, I'd say. Perhaps, maybe. No, not really. The only reason I'm catching right now is because this cube is now very slippery. Yeah, corner cutting has improved a lot, as you guys can see. It can cut almost anywhere. Wow. No way. Check this out. Just this spot, everywhere else it can corner cut. Wow, that's honestly very impressive for a 2x2. I really hope this puzzle can become a little bit better with setup, because if it has this kind of performance, it has a lot of main potential, not only for me but for other world-class 2x2 solvers as well. So for my first impressions, I'd give this cube an 8.5 out of 10. So that's about it for my unboxing of the Dayan Tengyun M 2x2. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and bye.